Welcome to Padang, the coastal city on the western coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. Known for its rich cultural heritage, Padang offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Located in Padang, West Sumatra, Universitas Negeri Padang is a distinguished institution dedicated to academic excellence and community engagement. As one of the leading universities, UNP offers a variety of programs and opportunities for students to explore and develop their academic and non-academic potential. The Faculty of Economics and Business aims to establish itself as a distinguished and globally respected institution through its commitment to excellence in education, research, and community service.
Welcome to the Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Negeri Padang. I am Professor Prengki Susanto, Dean of the Faculty. We commit to develop and apply scholarly knowledge and quality of education, research, and community service within higher education. We develop collaboration with other universities and industry at the level national and international to enhance the competitive graduates.
With diverse range of academic programs, we offer a holistic education that prepares students to become leaders in their respective fields. The faculty offers several diplomas, undergraduates, master's, and doctoral degree programs in economy, business, and education. The faculty quality assurance system is implemented through the cycle to ensure involving and sustainable quality aligned with national higher education standards. We hold the quality assurance in all levels of the university, faculty, and study program. The faculty also obtains recognition from ISO for its services to stakeholders to enhance international quality standards. The study program of management received international recognition (AUN-KIE). In the Faculty of Economics and Business, laboratories play a crucial role in the development of knowledge and practical skills for students. Our laboratories are equipped with modern facilities to support interactive and experiential learning. Students not only learn theoretical concepts from textbooks, but also apply their knowledge in real-life scenarios. The computer labs offer access to advanced software and tools essential for academic and business analysis. It enables students to develop analytical skills, problem-solving abilities, and collaborative teamwork. At the Faculty of Economics and Business, we believe that education extends beyond the classroom. We encourage our students to actively engage in various students' bodies and students' communities to develop their leadership, interests, and professional development skill. Studying at the Faculty of Ekonomi and Bisnis Universitas Negeri Padang is both enriching and supportive. With modern facilities and dedicated faculty, student experience, and environment that encourage academic excellence, the faculty emphasis on learning foster critical thinking and creativity, preparing students to tackle global challenges in economics and business. Whether through collaborative projects, international exchange, or hands-on experience, the faculty offers a platform where students can thrive and reach their goals effectively. We invite you to join us on this exciting journey where opportunities for growth, learning, and success are boundless. We look forward to welcoming you to our distinguished community. Let's join us!